in an hour. Now in engineering, we call that 1 to 1,000 ratio a form of amplification, and it makes something ultra-sensitive. So we've made an ultra-sensitive cancer detector. Okay, but how do I get this activated signal to the outside world where I can act on it? For this, we're going to use one more piece of nanoscale biology, and that has to do with the kidney. So the kidney is a filter. Its job is to filter out the blood and put wastes into the urine. It turns out that what the kidney filters is also dependent on size. So in this image, what you can see is that everything smaller than 5 nanometers is going from the blood, through the kidney, into the urine, and everything else that's bigger is retained. Okay, so if I make a 100 nanometer cancer detector, I inject it in the bloodstream, it can leak into
filter out, filter out, filter out.